Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start audio calling in uh, Google Chat in PC. Okay, so if you already install Google Chat, then you can enter your Google Chat application, or you can also use this through browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm just going to click or opening Google Chrome. Then how you'll get the Google Chat. Okay, so here you can see there are some dots. Simply click on them, and here you can see it's Google Chat. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you'll get the Google Chat. So now you have to find the user you're going to start the audio calling. So this is my friend. So now here you can see the start a video call. So there is only one option here for this way, but if you don't want to start video calling, then after calling, then you can hide the video icon. You can see this is the video icon. So you have to click the video call, then this will be the audio call. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.